You didn't have to work hard in order to create social media content. Everybody says you want to get free traffic, you got to have social media, you got to be on X, you got to be on Facebook, you got to be on Instagram, all these different places, putting up stuff. Trouble is, it's a lot of work to do all of that. Never mind, posting to all these places, but even just having to actually create all the content is a lot of work. So that's why a lot of people don't want to do it. But what if you didn't have to? Well, my friend Cindy asked that question and she came up with a brilliant answer. It's called TrafficBlaster AI. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for TrafficBlaster AI. This is from Cindy Donovan. Now, this is a really, really interesting piece of software. Basically, what it'll do is it'll actually create 30 days of content for you instantly. You simply tell it all about your company, about the kind of content you want, and it creates it for you, it posts it for you, it drips it onto the social media for you. Everything is done for you automatically. It's a very, very simple, elegant method of getting yourself out there and driving traffic. And you can see the kind of money that it usually costs for this kind of, for this kind of thing. You don't have to spend any money for this. You buy it once and it's done for you. That's it. Finished. Now, of course, everybody who knows my channel knows that I do not believe in just telling you about something, no matter how amazing it might be. I always want to give you more and more and more content, more and more stuff that is going to amaze you. And so, of course, that this would not be a Man in the Hat review without me giving you an incredible, incredible bonus. Dude, seriously, dude. Okay, stop photobombing my videos. Okay, I get it. You're the Man in the Hat also. But right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So go and forge some artwork or something. But seriously, check it out. Here's the list of things that I've got for you now. I got two brand new ones that I just found today. I just put these together. These are really, really cool. First one is a totally uncensored AI. This one doesn't care if you want to talk about how to take over the world. It'll happily chat with you about it and provide ideas for how to do it. Okay. Seriously, I tested this one out. Happens, I am currently reading this dystopian series called Divergent. It's all about this weird world where it's like some sort of like a thought experiment, and people are divided into factions based on their natural abilities. And then you have the factionists who don't really fit in, and people are divergent, don't would fit into more than one faction. It's a really, really interesting series. It's a teen series, but anyway, I decided to ask this particular chatbot, how would I go about creating a world like the world in Divergent? Just in order to see what it would do. You ask that from something like ChatGPT, and it's going to tell you that I can't really help you with that because it's illegal, blah 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 blah. But we are just spit out great ideas on how to do it. Of course, I don't really care to create such a world. I think it would be a pretty horrifying world, but it was interesting to see this thing is completely uncensored, doesn't have a filter like you would see with most types of these kinds of systems. Now, of course, that would not be my only bonus. That would be a pretty crappy bonus, now wouldn't it be?
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, bully for you that you like crap, but these people don't, and I don't. And I don't think even you do. I think you just like to protest a lot. Anyway, check this out. This one I found super cool. So, new software that will basically what it does is it will take a few random words and turn it into sales copy. You can see on the left over here a sample that I put in. So this is a new software that will instantly create 30 days of content for your social media and even post it for you with AI. So that's what I wrote uh, based on, of course, TrafficBlaster AI, which is the basic concept. And you can see it created a beautiful sales copy for me. Okay, create 30 days of social media content instantly. Okay, unleash the potential of your social media presence with our cutting-edge AI software that creates an entire month's worth of engaging content this moment. No more brainstorming, no more scheduling hassles. You can see this is really, really nicely written out. Nice content, does it instantly, and best of all, it's free. I mean, there are upgrades if you want to pay for an upgrade, but I was able to do this with the free version of the software. So it's a really, really cool piece of software that I really was very impressed with. Of course, we're still not done yet. We have a lot more to go because if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you do need to have plenty of tools at your disposal.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I mean, that's very, very sweet of you to say. It's nice to see you back again. I missed you on the last video. But seriously. Another new AI that I found, which will create perfect ad content for you. All you do is paste in the URL of your website and tell it, and then it will automatically create ads for you that you can go ahead and paste into Google, whatever it is that you want to use. And by the way, I always update these things. I'm always checking these things. I do a ton of research for you in order to make sure that these are all actually still working, still available when I post these things, because a lot of AI systems, unfortunately, do go out of business. And so that's why I'm always creating these new materials. I go through these things and update them when I find something that I thought was really great, but no longer available. I will go find something else to replace it with. So of course, all of these, as I'm recording this video, are currently working and available and really, really amazing. But we're still not done yet. How about another one that will tell you the exact perfect keywords to go and target? Okay, it's a free AI system, finds perfect keywords for you to target for whatever it is that you want to go ahead and create content for. It's a really, really nice idea. It used to take hours to do research to find the right keywords to target. This thing does it for you automatically. Another one that's really, really cool. You can steal a list from any influencer that you want on X of people to go ahead and target and start sending them emails. It's a very, very cool system, not spam. If you use it the right way, this is completely above board, very, very cool system. You can go ahead and steal lists of people from major influencers. Find an influencer in your area on X, and this thing will steal it for you. And how about also this one? I happen to love this. I created my own custom prompt for ChatGPT, which allows you to write in the style of any copywriter. Basically, I have this prompt that I use, and it works really, really well. Take copy from anybody, send it through ChatGPT, and it'll actually create content about whatever you want to write about in the style of a particular copywriter. So pick the best copywriter in the world and create those things, and it'll automatically do it for you. Now, all these things are going to be included with the base price of TrafficBlaster AI. Now, by the way, there is a coupon code available for this. It is a decreasing coupon code, so you do want to get in as soon as possible. Let me find the coupon code for you real quick. The coupon code is 2025 traffic, 2025 traffic. Right now, as I'm recording, it's giving you a 50% discount off a $47 price. So it's going to come in at $23.50. Obviously, the price will keep going up slowly but surely. But right now, as I'm recording this, is $23.50 with the coupon code 2025 traffic. So a very, very nice discount to grab. It will decrease throughout the launch. So the price is going to go up slightly each time the coupon code changes. Let's check out the members area real quick here. You can see here, this is the basic members area. All right, this is just going to give you access to a few extra bonuses that Cindy's giving away. And then here's the actual software. This is very, very nicely done software. that basically what it does for you is it automatically creates the content for you. So you can actually have it create 30 years of content for you. Okay, you can have it post to your own website, whatever you want to do. It's designed to do everything for you. It's a very, very comprehensive piece of software. Very, very impressive stuff. So let's see if I can finally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously, okay. You really did hit the ball out of the park with this, and this is great. I love this idea. I hate having to create content for social media. That's why I usually don't do it. But this really does do the job. Grab this, you're going to love it.